Hey my chickadees, it's JųJÚ. Welcome back to the Back40. Okay, this is tape number 982,655,000. I'm nervous and I don't know why. I just get real nervous when I have to sit and just talk and explain stuff and all that good stuff. I can have fun and hee-haw and carry around and not have a problem, but when I have to sit down and explain something or talk or just talk to y'all, I just get all discombobulated. So, I want to talk about the group of ladies that I met. Wonderful, talented group of ladies that I'm very honored and privileged to be a part of. And one of those ladies is Joan with Scrapbook Sage. Joan, Bonnie, and myself all did the December Remember. Still can't say it. Okay. With 49 dragonflies and Louisa Hensel. And through that, Dawn was very inspired to do her journal set from like A to Z. And one of them was animals. And she started out with Abby, which is Addie's little sister. And I just fell in love with her. She was just so cute and pretty, and I just loved her. And through us talking in the chat rooms and everything and talking and we decided to come up with the collaboration, and she made Addie, which is the bigger sister, and it is just a wonderful little kit. So she decided to send Addie to the Back40 to come and visit me. So that's how that kit kind of all came about. So we decided to do our planners, do a collaboration, and do our planners together and using this kit. So it is in her coffee shop, and I'll link that down below, and I will link her channel down below because her planning style and setup is different from mine. So you can go over there and see her, and she does a really good job with explaining and talking about things a lot better than I do. So I'll link that down there, and y'all go show her some love and watch her video, and then go to her coffee shop, download your freebies, and grab this kit and show her some love there. Okay, this is the kit. It comes with Abby and her girlfriends, because you know we're going to bring our girlfriends with us when we go visiting. So she came and visited me on the Back40 and brought her girlfriends, and also some background pages. I printed a few of those out here, and then there's some different ones in the book when you see my flip through. Okay, so we're just going to flip through them. That's cute with that. I'm going to print around it. There are some that are kind of the same, but in different tones and hues. There's this one with the little hearts. It's cute. I love this one with the pattern and swirls. And then here is this one. Some girlfriends. Background pattern. Oh, I just love her so much. Burned her out another time. And that's that one. I had another one. It had another girlfriend on it. We'll find her in here. She's in here. Okay, so go over to Dawn's channel. See what she's got going on. She's going to put a video up today too as well. So go over there and check that out and check her channel out. And see her flip through and how she does hers. Because she does bulletin type planning. I think she likes to do that. And you know, I'm a functional planner who does functional planning with structural weeks. Okay, so I made my planner. We saw this one. I've added this. Now this wonderful little girl is from Ink and Page. Ink and Page has a really affordable, nice kit where she put all her freebies together that she was giving away in the past. And it's real cheap. And it's got some gorgeous, beautiful stuff in it. And this is one of them here. And so is this little butterfly. And so, you know, I'm going to collage and add it up. And if you look, there's a little friend there. And then, you know, we've got Addie over here. Inside my pocket, I've got some journaling pages, cards. This comes out of the journal kit. And then Dawn sent me these. Look at this. Isn't he cute? Little mouse sitting on there. And then that. She sent that to me when she sent me my shirt that you saw on the thumbnail. That's the another print out of the kit. This is my January calendar. You know, I got a little frou-frou stuff happening, but we've seen this. We've already planned January together, and we're just waiting. I got a lot of stuff. So we've only have 2 weeks left in December, 2 planning weeks. And then we're going to start in January. So next week we'll be starting in January because, you know, my hat month is already half full. JoJo sent me that. Okay, this is the kit that we'll be using in the planning sessions. This is from our Mississippi girl at Calico Collage. And her website, let's zoom you in. Hubby got me this. Woohoo! Okay. CalicoCollage.com is her website. So y'all go over there, look at her website. She's got a lot of cute little stuff, and show her some love over there and tell her I said hey. This is the week set up out of the kit. She's got, this is the I think it's called Flyaway, I think. A Flybird. But this is that kit anyway. And there that is. It comes in through the months, the weeks, and then the weeks here. So she has like different little setups. I put this together, made a pocket, and so I can slip a journaling card in. And that is from one of the freebies off of the inking page. And I just fussy cut it and made a little journaling card out of it. That's my Addie. And an Edith Holden page. And then I took another part of Addie that I fussy cut off of and put here. I like how that looks like a cross. And that's just our envelope with the this printed on it to hold the journaling cards. That's some more of the weeks. Y'all know I love hummingbirds. We did that. That's another Edith Holden. Okay, and then that's the back page of that. Another Edith Holden. This is one of Addie's girlfriends. This is another page in there. It's the Flybird. This is the Flybird one. She has a hummingbird and a Flybird. Okay. That's another one of the girlfriends. This is one I was looking for a while ago because I like her too. She's cute. She look like Heifer, don't start with me. Okay, then I put it together, just back that on it. Then on this one, which is the Flybird kit, it has the month on 2 pages. And, you know, I had to have that all that room and stuff. I think the hummingbird is a month on 1 page. But you can see it on her website really good when you go over there. Now I made just another pocket. That's the back page with another girlfriend. This is one of Scrapbook Sage, one of Dawn's cards. She sent it to me when she sent the shirt. And look at her. Isn't she cute? It's kind of reflecting off that gold trim. That's a little cute card. And this is Celebrate Today. So she makes cards and stuff. You can go over there and look at her shop and look around. She does all kinds of stuff in there. That's another one in the backgrounds. And then this is some of the pages out of the kits that I just put together and on a brad and stuck back here so I could have for some writing. And then I flipped over. This is another one of the cards that Dawn made. And this is a printout that I used, and you saw it earlier on Mama's stuff when I made her little pocket calendar out of it. So, you know, this little kit you can make all kind of stuff out of. I'll try to remember where I got that printable from. This is Calico Collage kit. It's another one of the kits. That's that fly kit. So we have January, February, and March is in this one. As you know, I do 3 months at a time. Oops, sorry. 3 months at a time. And that's just scrapbook paper that kind of coordinated with it, made me feel happy. Y'all know if I'm going to have to do this crap, I got to feel happy. There's just pages that were cut off. And then y'all seen that one in there. My little writing board. And I'm going to turn this into a writing board too. I'll cut this out and make this a smaller square writing board to go on my pages. Because, you know, by the time I get through with this, it's going to have all kind of junk journaling crap in it, be all full. And that's one of my Archer and Olive pockets out of my Archer and Olive journals that I've glued on here. And that's it. That's the start of our planners for the first of the year. And that we'll be using for the plan with me. So go over to Dawn's go over to Dawn's YouTube page, this link down below, and see her video of her calendar and her explanation of her inspiration in detail. She does such a wonderful job, much better than myself. And go to her coffee shop and show her some love and look at those kits and pick up your freebies. And I will see you on the next go round. Bye. Loves and hugs.